The world is buzzing with AI potential as ChatGPT, the language model developed by OpenAI, boasts an impressive user base of 10 million unique monthly users. But did you know that only 1% truly know the secrets of unleashing ChatGPT's full potential? Here at AI Techscape, we'll unravel the art of crafting powerful prompts and delve into the 6 game-changing techniques that will revolutionize your AI interactions. Let's learn how to command ChatGPT with precision, finesse, and unlock its hidden genius. Ready to change the game? Let's dive in! Before we delve into the various prompting techniques that can yield enhanced results with ChatGPT, there's a vital principle that we must grasp. Less is more. As we attempt to communicate effectively with AI, it's imperative to avoid 2 common mistakes: inadequate instructions and overly complex prompts. Striking the balance in the size and specificity of our prompts can make all the difference in the quality of AI-generated responses. Imagine ChatGPT as a receptive entity that eagerly awaits your input, equipped with the ability to understand and respond to a wide range of instructions and questions. To optimize the interaction, the prompt you present to ChatGPT can consist of multiple elements, including instructions, questions, inputs, and examples. By carefully crafting your prompt, you provide valuable context that guides ChatGPT toward producing more relevant and accurate responses. One useful instruction you can employ after your main text is TLDR, short for too long, didn't read, which prompts ChatGPT to provide a condensed summary of the content you provided. This feature is particularly beneficial when dealing with extensive text, allowing you to quickly grasp the essential points. For instance, you might be dealing with a lengthy research paper, and by utilizing TLDR, ChatGPT can condense the core ideas into a few key sentences, saving you time and effort. Moreover, including personal identifiable information in your prompt can significantly enhance the usefulness of ChatGPT's responses, especially for professionals in sales or email marketing. By specifying relevant details such as the customer's name or company, you can obtain more personalized and actionable insights from the AI tailored to your specific context. Another clever way to use instructions is to include adjectives before specific words in your prompt. By doing so, you prompt ChatGPT to generate more descriptive and expressive responses. For instance, if you're working on a storytelling project, you can ask ChatGPT to provide a list of 10 adjectives before the word flower. This allows you to enrich the narrative with vivid language and create a more captivating experience for your audience. But how do you strike the right balance when creating a prompt? It's essential to be mindful of the token limit, which plays a crucial role in shaping ChatGPT's responses. Tokens are discrete units of text used by AI models, and different models have varying token sizes. ChatGPT utilizes the Text DaVinci 003 model, which has a token limit of 4,000 tokens or approximately 3,000 words. When composing your prompt, consider that these tokens are shared between the prompt and the resulting response. For instance, if your prompt spans 4,000 tokens, the actual response you receive will be limited to a mere 97 tokens. As you can imagine, this severely restricts the amount of meaningful information the AI can generate in its reply. Therefore, keeping your prompt concise and within the token limit is crucial to elicit comprehensive and informative responses from ChatGPT. To ensure that your prompt adheres to the token limit, you can employ a tokenizer from OpenAI, a handy tool that helps you visualize the token count of your text. By using Tokenizer, you can gauge whether your prompt is within the acceptable range or if it exceeds the limit, potentially leading to incomplete responses from ChatGPT. Now that you have established the importance of providing clear and context-rich prompts, let's explore the 5 fundamental prompting techniques that can unlock the true potential of ChatGPT. First, standard Q&A format. The Q&A format is helpful in providing information and priming AI with specific answers. This approach involves presenting a question within your prompt, followed by the expected answer. By structuring your prompt in this manner, you can guide ChatGPT to produce responses that align with the predefined answers, thereby ensuring a more accurate and targeted outcome. For instance, if you're researching a topic and need comprehensive answers, you can create a prompt like, Question: what are the main benefits of renewable energy sources? Answer: renewable energy sources offer numerous benefits, including reduced greenhouse gas emissions, energy security, and sustainable resource use. By employing Q&A format, ChatGPT can draw from existing knowledge to provide a well-structured and informative response, making it a valuable tool for academic purposes and professional research. Second, assigning roles. In this technique, you assign a specific role to ChatGPT before presenting your prompt. By assuming a particular identity, such as you are a student or you are a physicist, ChatGPT will tailor its responses accordingly. For example, if you assign role of a marketing expert to ChatGPT, you can ask AI to develop creative marketing strategies or advertising concepts. Third, giving instructions. This technique involves furnishing explicit instructions or questions within your prompt. These instructions can range from simple requests for information to more complex directives. By guiding ChatGPT through your prompt, you enable it to deliver responses that align with your specific needs. For instance, you might ask ChatGPT to summarize a given text, generate creative ideas, or provide step-by-step instructions on a particular task. Similarly, if you're working on sales-related content, including clear instructions like provide insights on increasing sales for company XYZ ensures that ChatGPT will focus on generating relevant ideas and strategies tailored to the specified company. 4. Step-by-step prompting. This intriguing technique involves adding the phrase, "Let's think step by step," at the end of your prompt. By doing so, you instruct ChatGPT to process the reasoning in a sequential manner, leading to more precise and meticulous responses. This method is particularly beneficial when dealing with complex questions or problems that require thorough analysis and consideration of various factors. By breaking down the thought process step by step, ChatGPT can identify the most critical aspects of the problem and provide a more accurate and comprehensive answer. For instance, let's say you're exploring the potential causes of climate change. You could create a prompt like, "Discuss the factors contributing to climate change. Let's think step by step." In response to this prompt, ChatGPT would analyze various factors, such as greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and industrial pollution, presenting a detailed and systematic explanation of how each factor contributes to the phenomenon of climate change. 5. Feedback mode. This mode allows you to explore alternative perspectives and encourage the AI to scrutinize its responses critically. You can present your input and instructions and then explicitly request ChatGPT to act as a critic to provide feedback. For example, you might say, "I want you to criticize these paragraphs and convince me why they are bad." This prompts ChatGPT to assess the quality of its responses and identify potential flaws or weaknesses in the content. This form of self-critique can be highly valuable in refining the language model's output and ensuring the accuracy and reliability of its responses. Another approach to this mode is to instruct ChatGPT to provide brutally honest feedback. For instance, you could say, "Give me brutally honest feedback about this essay." This prompts ChatGPT to be more candid and forthright in its assessment. Number 6. Chain of thought method. This technique involves presenting ChatGPT with an example of a complex problem you want to solve. You then proceed to explain how you would tackle the problem and outline the steps you would take to arrive at the desired solution. Afterward, you present a similar but slightly different question related to the initial problem, expecting ChatGPT to use the same reasoning you provided to address the new question. This chain of thought strategy outperforms a basic standard prompt for problems including mathematical calculations, basic logic, and symbolic analysis. By explicitly laying out the thought process and reasoning, ChatGPT gains valuable insights into your preferred approach and replicates it when tackling similar problems. For instance, let's say you're trying to solve a math problem involving ratios. You could present ChatGPT with a step-by-step example of solving a particular ratio problem, explaining each calculation and concept involved. Afterward, you could pose a related question like finding the ratio for a different set of numbers, and ChatGPT would apply the same reasoning process to arrive at the solution. As AI continues to advance, ChatGPT stands as a testament to the remarkable progress achieved in natural language processing. As users, researchers, and developers, we have the unique opportunity to shape the evolution of AI technology and witness its transformative impact on various industries and facets of life. By employing these prompting techniques, we can explore the depths of AI's capabilities and pave the way for a more intelligent and collaborative future. Thank you for tuning in to discover these 6 tips to become a top 1% ChatGPT AI user. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for thrilling future videos as we journey through the fascinating world of AI Techscape.